All right, we're going to learn how we can use the calculator to calculate present value and future value of cash flows. Okay, so this is a case of uneven cash flows. Now, the example says an investment generates the following cash flows. In year one, we have 2,000. In year two, we have 3,000. In year three, we have 4,000. And in year four, we have 5,000. If the discount rate is 10%, calculate the present value of these cash flows and also the future value of these cash flows. So we are going to use the cash flow function in the calculator to solve this, okay? So we are going to press CF. Now, once we press CF, we can start inputting in the cash flows, okay? So, but before we start inputting in the cash flows, we need to clear the memory of the cash flow worksheet, just in case we have used it before. So we are going to press second function, then we press CEC, okay? So that clears the memory of the cash flows. Now we are going to press arrow down. So we have the cash flow at time one. So the year one cash flow is 2,000. So we are going to press 2,000. We press enter, okay? We'll press arrow down. We press arrow down again. So we have cash flow at time two, that's CO2. We're going to put the year two cash flow. So we have 3,000. So we press 3,000. We press enter, okay? We press arrow down. We press arrow down again, okay? We put the next cash flow. So we have 4,000. That's cash flow at time three. We press enter. We press arrow down and we press arrow down again. So we can put the final cash flow of 5,000. So we press 5,000. We press enter. Now, once we are done putting in these cash flows, we're going to press NPV, okay? So after pressing NPV, we have to put the discount, okay? So that I there is the interest rate or the discount rate. So we're going to press 10. We press enter, okay? Now we're going to press arrow down. So once we press arrow down, we see NPV, okay? So we press compute. So that gives us 10,717.85 approximately, okay? So that NPV is still the same thing as our PV since the cash flow at time zero is 0. Now to calculate the future value of these cash flows, we are going to press arrow down. So we see the net future value, okay? So we'll press compute, okay? So that gives us a net future value of 15,692. So this net future value is still the same thing as our future value since the cash flow at time zero is equal to 0. So this is how we can use the calculator to compute present value and future value of cash flows.